Hey everyone, welcome back on Iterating Coder. Let's quickly understand maps in Go language. So maps are the built-in data structure. In other languages, you must have heard about dictionary, hash. In the similar way, map works in Go. So map is nothing but it is a collection of key value pairs. That means each element in map dictates a key value pair. What the mean of key value pair? Suppose you have a drawer and in drawer you have kept multiple balls. One is the red color ball, another one blue, purple and various color of balls you have. You have given the label to each ball. To this ball you have given the label red, to this you have given the label blue and same here purple, orange, green, yellow, black and brown. So these all the labels you have given to the balls. Now these labels are called key and the item itself is called value. What is the key point here? The label or we can say the key in maps will be unique. As here we can see that the label of each item is unique but the value could be same. Here we can see that all the item is the value ball but the label we have given to this item is different. So you can ask to someone get the red label ball from the drawer or get the yellow label ball from the drawer. That means you are asking him to identify the ball, identify the item by the given label or by the key itself. So in maps, you can access the values by their keys, by their associated keys. So by using this key value concept, map provides an easy way to store and access the information with the help of keys. Let's understand it through some code. First, we will create a map data type. Take a name, ages, and in this variable, by using a make function, we will create a map. Map, the type of the keys, suppose the type of the keys is string and the type of the value is integer. So this is a map. Let's print it and simply code. This is blank map we are getting since we haven't assigned any value here. Let's assign one value. In this variable, we can store the age of students. Let's take student 1 and the age we are assigning here 10. Similarly, let's take another pair of key values. Age we can take 4 and this is student 2. Now again run the code. So this is the value we are getting. Student 1 is the key, student 2 is then another key. Let's try to keep same keys here. So here we can see that if we are taking the second key, that means we are assigning a new value here. Let's define it as a separate key. Take two more records, student 3 and 4. Let's take 7 and here we can take 5. Now in this way you can declare the maps in Go language. What if we want to iterate over this map? For iteration we will use for loop. This for loop will return two values. One is the key and second is the value. Let's define it as key and value. And to iterate we will use range of keyword. Ages. Let's print key and values. Key is key and value is val. Run the code. So here we can see that key is student 1 and the corresponding value is 10. Similarly, we can have for other key value pairs as well. So in this way, you can iterate over the map. Suppose you want to check whether this particular key exists in the map or not. How can you verify that? Check if key exists. So here I will use if statement, well, okay. How will it getting the values? Here we can say map variable and the key that you want to verify. Let's say I'll give student 2, and if it exists, that means if it is okay, that means it will print this following loop, and we are saying yes, key exists, and value where we are getting in this variable, we will get the value. So here we can pass it, else we can say value doesn't exist. Let's print it and check if student 2 key exists or not. So here we are getting yes, key exists and value is 4. Let's say we are verifying for the key student 7, that actually we haven't updated here. So it is saying that value doesn't exist. Now suppose you want to delete any key. Let's say we want to delete student 1. To delete any key from the map, you can simply use delete statement, and within this delete we can pass the map from which map you want to delete and which key you want to delete. So I am saying student 1 key I am going to delete here. Let's print the map after deletion. Run the code, and here we are saying that map after deleting the key is this. So here we are getting student 2, 3 and 4. However, we have assigned the student 1 here, but we can see that here we have deleted the student 1 key. As here we have deleted the student 1 key, what value I'll be getting if I try to print this particular key after deletion? Let's see here. So after deleting, it will be giving its default value. While declaring the maps, here we have said that the type of the key is a string and the type of the value is integer. Here we have taken a student 1 key, but later we have deleted that. We are trying to access that specific key, but it is not part of that map. So what it will return? It will return the default value, that is 0. The default value of the integer is 0. So in this way, you can simply create the map using the make function. You can iterate over the map. You can verify if that particular key exists or not. And here you can simply delete any key from the map. That's the wrap for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about maps in Go language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. We'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!